10 minutes and you'll have a free landing page. I'll be showing you a free system where you can build this landing page, and we'll go step by step into how to build this landing page in less than 10 minutes. And if you wait till the end, I'll also show you how you can use this landing page to start earning online. Hi, I'm Nella Fernandez, and I help people start their own side hustles where they're their own boss and achieve time, location, and financial freedom. Now, I've invested thousands of dollars in learning these techniques and systems that I'm going to teach you on this channel. So please subscribe and let's take it from there. If you're excited to learn the system, comment, let's go, and let's get this started. So as you can see, this TLC framework, I explained it in another video, so I'll be linking to that video as well. The landing page falls here where you're capturing your leads. If you do not know about this TLC system of mine, watch that other video and you'll get the full understanding of how the system works. So this is the landing page part. Now let's start building this landing page. Now I will leave a link below to get this free account. So once you click on that link, it should take you to a place like this where you put in your email address and click, and it would send you an email and you sign up for the system. It's free and free forever, okay, until you get over 2,000 subscribers and all, but by then you should be earning. So once you have your free account and you log in, you should come into a page like this. This is the dashboard. Now what you want to do is first go and create a website. Okay. So website sales funnel. So I want to create a new one. So I'll click on create. I can say this as a test funnel. Okay. So I say build an audience and I can just save that. Okay, so that's my new funnel made up. So I need to edit this funnel. So I'll go and click on the funnel. And the first thing is the squeeze page. I want to customize that. So I'll look at the various templates that are there. There are numerous templates out there, even in the free version. So let's look at them. Let's use one of these templates. Let's see a good one. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's see something like this. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so I like to, instead of squeeze page, I like to say landing page or just hello maybe. And same. Okay, and that's it. Now I want to edit this page. Now there is too much stuff on this page, so I'll just go and delete what I do not want. Okay, so that was, I need to undo that. That was the main portion was I deleted. So I just want to delete maybe just that, just one of the rows. I'll leave that one in. I'll delete all the other things. So you can just customize one of these templates as you wish. And now I'm going ahead and deleting what I do not want from here. So it's a matter of just clicking on the delete symbol and saying OK. And as you see, you can undo this also to a part. So I'll delete all of this. I do not want all of this. I just want to keep it to a very simple landing page. Okay, so I think this is good. Now you can see this terms and condition privacy policy. I will show you how to get these. So you can go to things like free disclaimer and get a disclaimer also for this landing page. I will also make up these landing pages. I'll make these disclaimer pages and all, and I'll leave a link where you can just click and import this whole funnel into your system, and then you can edit as you wish some more. Okay, so that's one. Now when someone clicks on this, clicks the enroll now. So first let me change this. This is not what I want. I want say get my free PDF to start online today. So say I'm giving out a free PDF and so this one I want to click and change that also. Yeah, so I do not want that to be enroll. So I see on the left hand side I can change the text of that. So where you see enroll, you want to change that. Okay, so where here it is, and say enroll now, get access. Okay, get access here. And once someone clicks on this button, they should open a pop-up. So if you click on the pop-up and you click on this I button, this is what they would see. Okay, so instead of enroll now, your best email. So enter email address and we'll, instead of saying reply, possibly I want to say we'll send you the PDF. Okay, and again enroll now, I don't want to have that there. I will have that as click here. So that's that, and I can save this. So don't forget to save these changes once you made them. So save changes. Okay, so that's our first page done. I can close out of this. Okay, so I have to get out of the pop-up. Click on that and I get out. Okay, so that's my pop-up and everything I have customized. So I can go out and click on that button there and go out of this. Okay, so I'm back into my funnel. So next I want to edit the thank you page. So first, this is the page you will send people to, the hello page, which we did. And after they've entered their email address, they'll be taken to the next page, which is the thank you page. But before that, I want to show you something. Say you want to give them the free PDF. How do you go about doing that? So you click on assets, files, and now I want to upload the PDF here. Whatever PDF you have, you want to upload it here. Upload. So I'll click on this and say this is the test PDF I want to upload. So I'll upload. Okay, so successfully uploaded, and I can see it here in the list of items. So now I can go back to my funnel and click on the test funnel again. Now I can edit the thank you page. So I'll click on the thank you, the second part one. Okay, so I want to use one of these templates as my thank you page. I'll use an easy one like this one. Now again, thank you download page. I can just put in thanks here. Okay, and I'm going to edit this page. I want to delete all of this again. I want to keep it minimalistic. I can delete this part as well. Thank you. So I can say just click below to access your free PDF. Okay, and instead of read our blog, I want to change that also text to, you'll have to look for where it is. Looks like I'm missing it out. Okay, so there, click here. So now I can also delete this thing. I do not want that. Yeah, this as well. Keep it minimalistic. So that would be a thank you page. Now when someone clicks here, what happens? So I do not want it to open a URL, but I want them to get the file, the file which we just uploaded. So download file, and I can click on this kind of cloud icon, and I say your files, and I just highlight the test, the one which we have uploaded earlier, and insert. So that should be my landing page and thank you page done. I'll save it. Yeah, get out of this. Now when you want to add, say, disclaimer pages, etc., how do you go about doing it? You click on the add a step, and you can just write, say, disclaimer, and the type of page could be maybe a text page or something, info page maybe, possibly. Okay, save. So then you can choose another template out here also. I'm not going to do that now, but I'll show you some of the others. I'll show you now. Let's check if this is working. That's what we need to see more than anything. So I click on hello, and I'll copy this. I'll click on this button, and then I'll copy it to my browser. So now I want to go into another, and I will paste the link, and I'll hit enter. Okay, so that's my landing page has already loaded up. Let's see if it works. So I get access now. Okay, so I'll give it an email address .com. I'll give it a fictitious email address just to check, and click here. It should take me to the next page. Yes, that's it. It's taking me to the thank you page, and if I click here, I should open that PDF. Yes, so this is the PDF. It's a blank PDF just now, which I had uploaded, but you could have the what you want out there. Okay, so next we need to see, has the email got captured? So I'll go back. So instead of seeing the sales funnel here, I will go to my CRM, and I'll hit on contacts. And yes, now you can see abcd@xyz.com. This is the email address we just put into the landing page, and it has got captured. So that's it. This has been done. So now our email address also has been captured here by the system. So now you can see, now I have my landing page, and I have captured the email addresses as well. Then I can send them further emails and build the like, know, trust factor. Okay, so that's how you build your landing page. Now if you want to learn about this TLC system, I will leave a link to another video where I explain the whole thing, and also how to earn from it. If you'd like access to high-level affiliate marketing training, I'll leave another link to one of our groups where you can join this group, and there's real high-level training in that group. So I'll leave a link there as well. It's free to join as of now. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in the other videos. Take care.